Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and in this video I'm going to be showing you one of our very own Framer themes. This is Malmo. Malmo is a modern theme perfect for a SaaS product. It has one CMS section, which is its blog, and it also leads with imagery and stats. So I will show you, we have two homepage options. I'll take you through those, the About Us page, pricing, and the blog section. So this is homepage 1. You can see it has a center-aligned hero section. You can see this header nav disappears on scroll, and when we scroll back up, it is sticky and appears at the top. On all of our CTAs, we have hover effects. And this particular hero section leads with imagery in a rotating carousel, which is animating by itself. You can see we have this dynamic stats section with the numbers which count up. And as per all our themes, we have this beautiful on appear scroll animation where the content just slides in from the bottom and fades in as well. All our sections are designed to allow your users to look at information, read content really quickly, really concisely. And so we utilize a lot of things like accordions, block sections, iconography, and you can see here this kind of masonry style grid allows you to hero content, CTAs, images, which you could easily swap out with videos, and a combination of the two. We also have a testimonial section where you can feature an image, the testimonial itself, and a star rating. And as always, all of the content in our Framer theme is in components. So when you download the Framer template, you can remove what you don't need, include what you do, take elements of other pages and put them onto other pages to really customize it and make it your own. Additionally, all the color styles are there for you, so you could use the color styles provided, or you can replace with your branded colors and fonts and so on. So this is homepage 2. You can see we have a left align heading with some CTAs, and then there's space under the CTAs to add some smaller text. You might want to use this for kind of features of the product, if it's a product you're selling, or maybe how many clients you've worked with, how many people have downloaded it, and that's a really nice little place to encourage conversion. We've got those lovely dynamic stats once again. This section is our grid section. And a similar approach to the previous homepage, just mixed up a little bit. So here we have some bigger stats overlaid on the darker background. Those icon USPs once again. Space to include logos of people or companies who are using your product. And a big testimonial section with a big social proofing and kind of results space. And finally, in the footer, we have an email sign up and then a traditional kind of footer with your menus. So those are our two home pages. Let's jump into the blog page. So as always, we have a CMS section on most of our themes. Some of our themes have two CMS sections, which are perfect for portfolios, but this one just includes a blog. When you download the template, you will have placeholder blog posts. So you can go in, see what fields we've made, and you can also add additional fields or remove fields to make it your own. If I go into the blog detail page, you can see here we have a header section, which includes the author, and then below your image and text from your CMS will all be pulled through here. And then finally, we'll jump into the pricing page. So here you can see we have our pricing columns, which allows you to add as many plans as you need. We have our monthly yearly toggle, so you can show users two different prices. Of space to really promote your USPs, to encourage signups, and some support blocks so the users can get in touch or sign up. And then we'll quickly jump into the contact us page, which includes a Framer form. So this form, we currently have the name, email, and message field, and this sign up, which will go directly to an email, but you can easily customize this to add new fields and also collect the contact us submissions to anywhere you'd like using webhooks or a third-party service. And that is Malmo. I hope you have liked this theme. If you are interested in purchasing this theme, you can get it from the Framer Marketplace, or you can jump to coastalthemes.com, hit on Framer Themes, scroll down, and you will see Malmo right here. If you click into it, hit Get Framer Template, that will take you to the purchase page, and you can buy that with one click if you'd like. And then if we go back to Coastal Themes, on coastalthemes.com, if you are loving all our themes that we've shown you so far, you can get them all for one super competitive price by getting a club access, and that is you joining the Coastal Themes Club. For a lifetime, you get existing and future themes, premium support, and early access to any new themes we release. So that is our Coastal Themes Club, which you can access via coastalthemes.com. If you have any questions relating to Malmo or any of our other Framer themes, then please do drop them in the comments below and we will get back to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye!